Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the child has to identify the shapes, that is the 2D shapes. Over here, identify the shape and fill color. So over here, the child has to identify the shape and fill in the color. So over here, it's a rectangle. Then the child has to fill in the color over here in the given shape, and similarly they have to do it for all the given shapes over here. Next is triangle, and over here they have to fill in the colors. Then diamond, and over here they have to fill in the colors. After that it's a star, and then over here they have to fill in the color. Next, circle, and in the circle they have to fill in the color. After that, oval, so over here they have to fill in the color. Semicircle, over here again they can use crayons or pencil colors to do the same. Next is heart, so over here they have to fill in the color, and next one is a square. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को अलग अलग शेप्स के बारे में बताया गया है. बच्चों को शेप्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और फिर उसमें कलर करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. आप उनको ऐसे शेप के दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी दिखा सकते हो रियल लाइफ कनेक्शन करवाने के लिए. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify 2D shapes. Over here, join the matching shapes. So here the child has to join the matching shapes. So over here, it's a heart. So they have to connect it with the heart shape. Then a triangle. So they have to connect it to the triangle shape. Then a diamond shape. Then a semicircle. And then a circle. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को जो सिमिलर शेप्स है उनको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. 2D शेप्स यहाँ पे जो दिए गए हैं और उनको कनेक्ट करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. इन दिस वर्कशीट द टॉपिक इज रिलेट शेप्स टू रियल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. Match the object to its shape. So over here half a watermelon is given. So it is matching with the shape of a semicircle. Then a sunflower. So here it's a circle in the center. Next a heart shape. And after that a star shape. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स है उसको करेक्ट 2D शेप के साथ कनेक्ट करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is revise 2D shapes. Over here, the child has to count and write the number of triangles, circles, squares, ovals and rectangles in the space. So the child has to count the given number of shapes over here, and then they have to write the total count over here in the given blanks. So starting with the triangle, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here there are 12 triangles. So number of triangles is 12. After that circle. So over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of circles are 8. Then number of squares. So number of squares is 1. Then over here we have 2 and 3. So we have 3 squares over here. After that number of rectangles. So we have 1, 2. 2 rectangles. And then number of ovals we have 1, 2. 2 ovals we have. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को 2D शेप्स का रिवीजन करवाया गया है. बच्चों को दिए गए शेप्स को काउंट करना है और फिर टोटल काउंट यहाँ पे ब्लैंक में लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. इन दिस वर्कशीट द टॉपिक इज आइडेंटिफाई 3D शेप्स. 3D shapes are solid shapes. They can be held and they have a depth. Like book, ball, bag, etc. Given below are some 3D shapes. So you can let the child visualize the 3D shapes. You can give them, certain 3D objects like book, ball, bag, etc. You can also, give them a TV remote or an AC remote to identify how a 3D object looks like. So over here, trace the 3D shape. So here the child has to trace the given 3D shapes. So on the dotted line, they have to follow the line over here for tracing the given 3D shape. Like this. And over here as well. So there are 4 3D shapes given over here on this page. This one. And the last one. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए 3D शेप्स को ट्रेस करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is relate 3D shapes to 2D shapes. Match the 3D shapes to the 2D shapes. So over here, the child has to connect this 3D shape to its 2D shape. So over here, then the second one is over here. After that, over here with the triangle and then with the circle. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए 3D शेप्स को 2D शेप्स के साथ कनेक्ट करना है, सिमिलर 2D शेप्स के साथ, और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is associate shape to object. Color the box with object matching the shape. So over here, the child has to color the box with object matching to the given shape. So the first shape is circle. So over here, it's a ball. So the object of this shape is matching with the circle shape. So the child has to color this box using crayons or pencil color. Then it's a square. So the second image which is given over here, it goes with that. So it matches with the shape given over here. After that, a triangle. So over here, the first one, it matches with the triangle shape. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए बॉक्स में ऑब्जेक्ट को देखना है और उसका शेप अगर दिए गए शेप के साथ मैच होता है तो उसको कलर करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is associate shape to object. Find the hidden 3D shapes in the given objects and match them to their respective shapes. So over here, this ball with the circle, then cone with the triangle, cylinder shape over here, and then the shape of book with the rectangle. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए 3D शेप्स है, हिडन 3D शेप्स, उनको आइडेंटिफाई करके रिस्पेक्टिव शेप्स के साथ कनेक्ट करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is associate shape to objects. Match the shape to the object. So over here, the child has to match the shape to the object. So this one will go with this. Then the second one, third one with this gift box, fourth one over here and the last one over here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए शेप को उसके सिमिलर शेप्ड ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ कनेक्ट करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is associate shape to object. Put number on the object same as the number of the shape. 1 is done. So over here the child has to put number on the objects similar to the number given on the shape. So let us identify the objects having the shape 1. So 1 is done over here. Then over here also this is similar to the shape given over here. After that number 2. So this is the shape that goes with number 2. This one as well. Then number 3 over here and over here. Then number 4 over here and number 5 over here and here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए शेप को ऑब्जर्व करना है और उन पे जो नंबर लिखे हैं वो सेम सिमिलर शेप के साथ नीचे उनको लिखना है, उसके ऊपर नंबर लिखना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू.